Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well. Myself, Gayatri Agarwal from LP Savani Vidya Bhavan, is today welcoming you for our chapter number 6. That is Riya's journey. Children, what do you mean by journey here? Journey means to travel. Travel from one place to another for any work or for fun. That is known as journey. Journey can be done by any vehicle. May it be a train, aeroplane, car, bus. Here, Riya is on a journey with her parents in a train, and let us see where she is going. Okay, so shall we start? Riya and her friend Jia were very excited. They were going for a trip on a train to Vapi. So Riya, is she going alone? No, she is going along with her friend Jia. And where are they going? They are going to Vapi. Vapi is a city in Gujarat. Riya was going to her uncle's house and Jia was going to Daman with her family for a holiday. Now, as we are Surtis, we all know how popular Daman is for all of us, isn't it? Daman is like a mini Goa to us. There are so many beaches and it is like a weekend place for us to spend a beautiful time with our family, isn't it? So, Riya and Jia, they are very good friends. And they are going for spending their vacation to Vapi, right? And Riya is going to her uncle's place and Jia is going to Daman, right? As both the families decided to go together, Riya's father had booked train tickets for both the families before 15 days. You know, children, when we go for any trip on train, means by train, we need to make our reservations before many days. Okay, have you ever seen the train ticket? See, here a train ticket is given. Can you see? In train ticket, there are some things which you have to remember. What are that? The first is a PNR number, right? PNR number is a unique number just as your GR number. Okay, it is mentioned on every ticket and every ticket has its unique PNR number from which you can check the status of your train. Second is the train number. Why? Because trains are recognized by their numbers. Every train is given a unique number, right? And the next thing which we have to check in this is our date of journey and for how many people we have booked this ticket for. That details are given here. Okay, so whenever you purchase a train ticket, you have to check your ticket very properly, like your PNR number, whether your train number and train name is correct for which you have asked the booking. You have to check out whether the number of passengers, name and details of the passenger is properly filled or not, and the date and time of journey. Okay, that was also mentioned on this ticket. Sorry. Just 2 days before their journey, Jia fell ill. Doctor told her to take rest. Jia's family had to cancel their tickets. Both friends were very sad as they had made many plans for the trip due to Jia's cancellation. What happened now? Before the journey, just 2 days before the journey, Ria's friend Jia, she got ill. And doctor has told her that she will have to take the rest. So Jia's family, they had to cancel their tickets. Now what will happen? Now Ria will have to go alone with her family, and she is not feeling good. She's feeling very sad because her very good friend Jia, for the one thing is that she's not feeling well. She's worried about her. The second thing, that they had made many plans for going on a trip together. So Ria was very sad. But Jia said, I had an idea. She told Ria, don't be upset. You write everything about your trip in a diary and take photos and videos in your mobile. When you will come back, I will read your diary and will see photos and videos too. So Jia, she gave an idea to Ria. What did she say? She said that, please Ria, do not feel upset. You take a diary and pen along with you, and whatever you see during your journey that is really very excited and you want to share with me, you can write it down in a diary. So Ria got a very good idea of sharing all her experience with her best friend Jia. Jia also told her to take the photos and videos in the mobile phone. And Ria liked this idea of noting down the experience in the diary and taking the videos and photographs of the sceneries which she feels is beautiful. And in this way, both the friends, they said goodbye to each other. Ria went to her home. She found one notebook and a pen and put it in her bag. Today is a full moon day. After taking our dinner, we took an auto to reach Gandhidham railway station. After some time, the train arrived at the station. We saw some passengers were sitting in the train. Train had departed at 7:50 p.m. from Bhuj, main station of Kutch. The name of our train was the Kutch Express. From where is Ria traveling? Ria is traveling from the Gandhidham railway station. Okay, and when they had taken their dinner, they took an auto rickshaw to reach the railway station. And when they reached the station, they saw that the train has arrived after some time. And they also saw that some passengers were already sitting in the train. So from where did they come? They must be sitting from the first station, from where the train has started. And which was that first station? That was the Bhuj. That station was Bhuj. Bhuj is the main station of Kutch. And at what timing does the train started from there? The train has started from Bhuj at 7:50. The name of our train was the Kutch Express. As I told you that every train has its unique number and name. See, the name of the train is Kutch Express and its number is 19132. Okay. So, when we went near the coach, there was so much commotion from a single door. People were getting off and others were pushing and trying to put their luggage inside. Father felt someone pushing, so he said, "Train will stop here for 15 to 20 minutes. So don't be in a hurry." So what happened? As soon as the train arrived the Gandhidham railway station, there were many people who wanted to board on that train. So there was lot of commotion. Commotion means there were like this. So many people were there who wanted to get inside the train, and there were many others who wanted to get out of the train. So they started pushing each other to get inside the train and to get out of the train while shouting at each other. And you know, it's very dangerous to push like this while we board on train or when we get down of the train, because there are possibilities that we may fall down and may get badly hurt. We should always move on the train, and we should always get down from the train very quietly. Means we have to take a lot of care while we get off and get on the train. So father felt that somebody is pushing him. So father said, "Train will stop here for 15 to 20 minutes. Every train has its own timetable for stopping at the stations. At some stations, the trains stop at 5 minutes and some for 2 minutes. So at Gandhidham station, the Kutch Express waits for 15 to 20 minutes. So father told that person, "Don't be in a hurry." We somehow managed to get in, found our seats and kept our luggage at a proper place. So Riya, her father, mother and her brother, all the four, they somehow managed to get inside the train and they found their seats. As I told you, when we have the reservation, we have booked our tickets earlier, we get the seat numbers and we have to sit on our proper given seat numbers only. By the time the train started, most people had found their seats. By the time means jab tak train start hui. Okay, it is said by the time the train started. So when the train started, most of the people, they have found their seats and sat. Mother and I got window seats. Father and Himaksh got the middle seats. Himaksh was Riya's brother. So when we are in a train, in a sleeper coach, there are 8 seats in a compartment. 8 seats in a compartment, whereas there are 3 by 3 on one side and 2 on one side. This one. This is the 2 on one side, and the opposite side of this place there are 6 seats. From that, these 2 window seats were occupied by Riya and her mother, whereas father and Himaksh, they got the middle seats. There was another family with us. They seemed to board the train from the previous station. They had 2 children of our age. They got 2 upper seats and 2 lower seats. So the compartment of the train in which Riya and her family was traveling, there was one more family with them who must have boarded the train from the previous station. Why we are saying must have? Because we don't know from which station they have boarded the train, right? They may have come from Bhuj, or the station after the Bhuj, or the station just before the Gandhidham, right? Therefore, here we are saying that they seem to board the train from the previous station. And they had also 2 children of the age of Riya and Himaksh, and they were having 2 upper seats and 2 lower seats. After some time, the ticket collector came and checked our tickets to see if we were in our proper seats. See children, this is a person who is wearing a uniform. This is a uniform of a ticket collector with its ID card. Why this person comes in a train? This person comes in train who is known as ticket collector for checking our tickets, whether we are sitting on our proper seat number or not, or there is somebody who is not carrying the ticket, right? So how is this ticket collector recognized? Ticket collectors are recognized from their uniform. Can you see a paper in his hand and a pen? Why is he carrying this paper and the pen? Because when we book a ticket, that particular details are then stored in the data for the ticket collector to recognize who has been allotted which seat number, so that he can verify your tickets. And in this way, if somebody is sitting in the wrong seat, he will correct them. Okay. So we should always respect the ticket collector, because he is the one who helps us to sit in our proper seats and who helps others who could not find their seats. Okay. After 1 hour, the train stopped at one station. 1 hour means it was around 10:15. So approximate at what time Ria and her family boarded the train? They boarded the train by 9:15. I saw it from the window. Samkhyade Junction was written on the station. I asked my father. After 1 hour, what happened? The train stopped at one station. And what was the name of that station? The name of that station was Samkhyade Junction. So now this was something new which Ria had seen or which Ria had read. And therefore she asked her father, why is the junction written after the station's name? Father explained to me that the station at which 2 or more railway tracks are separating is called junction. Now I will show you a picture where you can properly understand the meaning of junction. You know, every station does not have the junctions. Can you see this web of railway tracks? Can you see the trains? Wait a moment. Can you see the trains are moving on this track? This single track. And after they reach here, they divide themselves into 2 directions. Okay, this is known as junction, and every station does not have this kind of junction. Got it? Even in this picture, you can see clearly that till here the trains come in a single track, and from here they can move here, either here. Okay, so this is known as junction. The stations which have the facility of letting the trains move into 2 directions is known as junction. Can you see? One is here, one is here, and one is here. Okay, so trains, they come till here on a single track. Can you see this? till here on a single track, and from here they can choose their way to either this or either this, either this or either this. Got it? This is known as junction. Okay. From this station, two railway tracks are separating. On the track on which our train is running is the way to Ahmedabad and the other goes to Palanpur. As I told you, when the two tracks they are separating, they go to different places. Okay. So on the track which Ria's train was moving is moving to the way to Ahmedabad and the other track is going to Palanpur. The train departed after 2-3 minutes. The two tracks separated from one another. Father showed it to me from the window. Our train left that station. I was observing the view outside the window. It was looking like white bedsheet spread across an open plain up to far away in a full moonlight. Can you see this? Doesn't it look like that a white color bedsheet is spread out? Yes. Why is this so? We will see now. Father said that it is a small desert of Kutch and it is looking like white bedsheet because of the white layer of salt on it. In these areas, Agarias are harvesting salt by making saltin. We can also see very big heaps of salt. So, when Ria and her family they started their journey, the day was full moon day, and when Ria she was watching the view from her window seat, she saw that outside the train the full view is looking like a white bedsheet is spread out. And why it was looking so? Because it was a sultan, it was a small desert of Kutch. And what did Ria ask, that why is it so? Father said that this is the desert of Kutch and therefore it is looking like white bedsheet because of the layer of salt. And in the daytime, Agarias are harvesting salt. Who are Agarias? Agarias are the salt farmers, or you can say the person who works in this saltins are known as Agarias. Can you see the heaps of salt backside here? See, here the heaps of salt is made and the people who are working here are the Agarias. Okay. So, we will finish our this part here and I will come back again with our second part. Thank you, children.